Market, what are you gonna do for us? Market open in 35 seconds. Right at 30. Always. That's how you become a great trader. That's how you'll succeed. Good morning, crew.
Good morning, Casey. Good morning, Casey.
Casey. I know this looks like shit, but I am looking for long term.
Oh, you and me, same.
Same, but different. Yeah, I might start a starter right now and some MES. We're hitting a really big area of support on SPY. It's also your daily 50 EMA right here. Yeah, this is a massive area of support on MQ. Look at that. We're not. Oh, there's the dump. Come on, dump it down.
I think some price target raises that happened this morning up top. Everybody wants to see it as well.
Oh. Gold trying to bump a little bit more here. That's a good sign.
Huge gap. What is the midpoint of this gap from last night? Midpoint 984.
Oh. Look at that.
Ooh, nice.
This is gross.
So again, I just marked that fib using regular trading hours. I just marked the closing from last night to the opening of New York session this morning. We were talking about Joe, like, coincidences around levels that don't exist, Equilibrium, 50% retracement of the overnight gap is the exact level that the 752 Eastern high is. So if we do get any bullish setups, that'll become a beautiful target for me. And then I'm also looking at that going, well, this is the line in the sand for bears to hold if we're getting over this with any momentum. I expect the highs to come back.
Give me that move. I like the buyers are scooping this up here on the support. I like this a lot.
LMT is up 6%. They had earnings this morning. RTX is also 5%. They also had earnings today.
Nice. Oh, damn, my SLS leaps are doing really well right now, actually. Shockingly enough.
Ooh, what a wick.
My live account must be trading funded stuff.
All right, look at that. We got some green on MQ, guys. Heck yes. Come on, buyers. Hold it together.
Maple, I see you down there. Just sent invite.
Maple's already done for the day, dude.
All right, I'm going to trim out some of these MESs long down here. I got long, had buys at 50, and I bought the dip at 48. I'm trimming here at 62, 63.
Oh.
Also grabbed a little bit of SPY calls as well with it.
I love that. Savage.
Yo, good morning, guys. What's up?
Yo.
All right, I'm going to trim some more right up here. I'm going to move a stop up in profit on MES.
Love to see it. Gold running too. Look at that. Beautiful.
All right, I'm going to take my first little trim here on SPY calls.
I'll be watching closely into 10 o'clock as well, because if you look at an hourly, we just sold off to these lows from that Monday.
Okay.
And basically into the new hour, we'll be creating an hourly gap above our heads that I think we can catch a potential long into. And then maybe we see if you can look for shorts from there.
Yeah.
But it won't open until 10 o'clock, so technically there's no gap yet. I can just see that it's going to form once this hour closes.
All right, I'm out majority of MES right here.
Nice.
That's 20 points. Oh, yes, sir.
MES long scalp, 3-minute CBC. There's a scalp that's looking for a few points.
Oh, I just sold some. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you extra. Pump it, man. Paul,
Take me higher. Take me higher.
Let's go. Take higher.
There you go. Look,
Take
take me higher.
All right, there it is. I'm gonna trim some more SPY calls here.
All right, I sold half there. 4 points.
Oh, fuck yes. Oh,
Beautiful.
I'm gonna close that one right there. All right,
Trail stop, break even.
Yes, sir. All right, filled on SPY. Let's go.
Beautiful. Beautiful bounce.
Nice.
Let's see those 15-minute EMAs.
Let's go.
I'm personally submitting to waiting till 10 o'clock today.
I got a little ballsy. There were some small contracts as an in the queue, but I got a 30-point gain, got out. So
I'll
Okay,
get it.
nice bounce.
So,
I haven't touched
Microsoft is green.
Do I have prior lows right here?
Indiana's looking nice too, though. Indiana's looking real good. Oh my God, look at that, dude! Just run up.
Microsoft is green.
All right, I scaled a quarter there. 7-point gain, 15-minute 9 break.
That's 25 points on ES right there.
Okay.
Do you think we hit 745 today on SPY? Sure, why not?
Sure, why not?
I have no freaking idea. Market just opened up. All I did was buy directly at the open and catch up. Buy it and stick.
All right, I'm just gonna chill here now. I'm just gonna wait. I want to see the 15-minute EMAs get.
Trail
touched.
stop, remainder break even. Nice scalp.
Nice one, Maple. Nice one. I'm just gonna wait on 15-minute EMAs here now. Just gonna sit on my hands,
Oh yeah.
not giving back those profits.
Vita Coco's green. BA's green. Honeywell's up 6.4%, ripping. LMT's up 9.5%. We're stock sniper. Loves that one.
I'm gonna drive short here.
MU is up 3%.
On ES.
SNDK up 1.5%.
Nice.
Tesla's down over 10.5%. Fuck.
Not optimal.
All right, I'm gonna trim more of my SPY calls here. I'm putting my stop at entry. Filled at 335.
Ooh, they're pumping this thing.
Yes, sir.
They're trying.
I think-
They're trying.
I think we see like 15-minute 20 VWAP. I don't have a position. I'm gonna chill. I feel like I can get caught in this.
Yeah, same, bro. Same. I'm waiting for VWAP and EMA 20 as well. I'm not touching this thing.
Okay, I got some.
I mentioned it right before the open down here, looking for the longs. The daily 50 EMA was on SPY at 739.04. We also opened up at the same lows where we caught big reactions on Wednesday, July 8th. You also opened up with a minus 1,000 tick. That's 3 reasons to look for an overextension reversal play right there at support. That was literally the only 3 reasons I decided to long ES and SPY right out of the gate. If you have the free indicator that I created that shows you the daily moving averages, 5-minute chart, then you're going to see a nice green line right there at the bottom.
I'm gonna double dip the US.
Nice. Yeah, I went short gold here on my best market account.
Okay, there's 2 points. Stop is break even. There's 3. Okay, right back below 72.
I hate this entry I got. I freaking despise this entry I got.
It's trying to take me out because we keep on respecting 72s. Yeah, I'm out right there. I'm just gonna wait now because we seem to be respecting 72s even though it's a nice short setup. So I'm so chill.
Dixie's starting to roll over a bit. It's good for MNQ long.
Yeah.
Watching this 15-minute gap.
Yeah.
875 to 915.
Yeah.
See if we can tap into there.
Mhm.
See if they can hold this on gold here. Well, 15 minutes looking real good. Oof.
What a friggin' pop.
Yeah, I stated that 100 points in the pot. Damn, GG's. It's fine. Now we wait for the short opportunity.
Iran's Revolutionary Guards warned Britain that Italian units about to fly from its bases.
Ooh, got back over it. AS is getting over 80s now.
I was literally just speaking that into existence. I was like, let's see SPY pop up to 742 right here near this midpoint. So we'll take a trip. Boom. Just green sticks. Straight Hulk candle. These are what Jordan likes to call the reverse Drizzy candles.
Yes.
I'm gonna start trimming right up here. If anyone is still long ES right here, you are. Oh, there it is. Pop in. That is 34 points, 35 points.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna trim my spies here at 352.
I was like, I don't think this smells right. So I go into the bathroom. If we didn't have, I had
About to hit midpoint at 742.44. Filled on SPY 356.
Lego. Good stuff.
200 points on MNQ. Let's go. Nice job, guys.
Good shit.
Nice, bro. Oh, daddy.
Here we are coming into 15-minute EMA. Great area to de-risk for your longs. It breaks VWAP 20. You either take a small position short risk or you wait for CVC to flip short again.
The only thing I'm sad is I didn't take an SPX put credit spread directly at the open. That would have been the trifecta.
Is that 15-minute gap getting tapped into?
Is Google on my watch list? Not at all.
Oh, listen, so I recruited the girlfriends of Guy and Marco to be the person that accepts me for the church, actually. Yeah, I recruited them last night.
Great bit of a rejection there on MQ has 70 seconds. 8 seconds.
My next resistance zone above 742, 742, 9.68 on SPY. Again, your midpoint. Want to say if you mark pre-market highs down to low of day, you're 50% so far of this range. We can break and base over that. 2 daily levels above 744.18, previous day lows, pre-market high exactly, around 746.4.
It was really reversal. I couldn't shout the short. I just got to click sell and it topped up 4 points though. I'm short from 80s.
I'm just waiting for that CBC flip on
Took it off
15 right now.
Alright, cool. Cool. Didn't quite tap into 72s like my full target would have been, but I got some green on that. Gonna wait.
Yes, gold. Yes, fall gold. Good.
Oh my god, SpaceX is at 115.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 115
Oh,
and a half. It's actually green.
yeah. Sweet.
Everything's up 10%. Look at that.
Bang. Oh.
All right, go. Call me when they go down for their nap. All right.
Alright, you're 72-ish almost. Not gonna play reaction off of it, gonna wait.
Hey, Mako, I see your comment. Shout out to you, brother. Appreciate you, my man. He said, shout out to all the speakers. You guys are all awesome. Thank you for what you're doing for us.
Hell
Let's
yeah.
go.
Thank
Shout
you,
out to the
man. We appreciate you guys being here.
Thank you for listening.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening instead of just me speaking into the void.
Right.
Nice reaction from the 15-minute gap so far. Tapped in, getting slapped.
Yeah.
Good displacement.
I honestly didn't think this is a buy red, sell green moment though for the bulls. With that CBC long flip, we run it up one more time, flip CBC short possibly. That's where I want to short. I can't short this right now.
No, I don't think so.
Reminder: any trades I'm taking, all gonna be unfunded. I'm not trading no live account.
I did short gold though on the Vest account, and I am up right now.
Nice.
So we're not getting the speed down that I was hoping for. So I may just end up moving my stop on this to break even, letting it go for nothing if it ends up going against me.
Long yes. 61s are skin to 5 minutes swing low. Tight.
Mhm.
Well, bearish order block just got created here.
There's my stuff out. That's okay.
This is back. This is potentially.
Seems the little one has graced her our presence.
Oh, yay.
This wasn't here.
Let's go. Wrong or should?
Oh, you like the charts?
This is your initiation. If you get it wrong, you're never allowed back.
She's staring,
Come out this way.
at you, Jordan, as you're saying that. She's looking at your profile.
Obviously. Hi, little one.
Yeah, it's Jordan. He's the worst trainer on this panel, but he's a great host.
Worst trader ever, yeah. I do anything but trade. I love it. People say that in my TikTok comments.
Dude, look at this 15-minute candle on M&Q. This is brutal, bro.
If I post more than like 2 or 3 videos on TikTok that aren't trading related, I start getting that comment.
Was Remy in
Anything but trading, bro.
here? Well, he has some.
Anything but trading, dude.
For real.
Again, there's a reason like the best traders I see are all fighting in TikTok comments because they're not over trading. They're all just fighting in TikTok comments.
You know they're a good trader if they're mostly on social media.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this M&Q dump.
I just took profits on Blackstone on the earnings swing. Made $580. Nice little trade there. Market is coming down here.
And gold is just not coming down the way I wanted to. It's just gonna be a slow one, dude.
Come on.
Are they gonna make me trim? They're gonna make me trim, aren't they?
You gonna make me trim.
Oh, she's got my beard. Oh, that hurts. Oh, man. Ow. Ow.
Oh man.
That'll at least stop me from taking bad trades. Oh.
Fighting the macro time here. I like the shorts better from that 15-minute gap so far.
Yeah. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Oh, look at that. Of course, gold. Oh, my goodness. Ugh. I don't like that 15-minute candle movement. Do not like that. I might re-enter a long here in NQ if this CBC 3-minute flip holds.
I'm trying to short here.
I would too, but again, like man, like we're still pretty far off from the EMA 20. We're like, what is that? That's 100 points from EMA 20 on the 15-minute, and then we have VWAP sitting like another 70 points above that.
Yeah. I get you. I'm half risk as I've been this whole week. Only on my fund is no live account here.
Yeah. It could go either way here, honestly. If I do enter this long, it'll be very small risk. Like, I'm talking like candlestick. I'm talking like if it goes below that previous candlestick, I'm out.
It's pretty tight here, but it's because I don't want to see us trade to this.
Okay, gold. I like that. I like that gold. Come on.
I'm looking for, if you go on the daily and you look at the day from July 17th, that wick that we have on NQ, I'm targeting the midpoint of that.
Ooh, I like that. That's actually pretty solid.
Midpoint of that wick is targeted, and then below that I have sell side at 408. I don't know if we'll get down there, but that's my last target.
So you're looking to enter at the midpoint?
No, I'm short. I'm looking to cover at the midpoint.
I got you.
It might be a solid buying opportunity, though. We'll see. It definitely could be. There's a reason I have targets there. So
yeah,
it definitely could be a buy
again,
spot.
the only thing stopping me from shorting is the 15-minute CAC green.
By the way, my stop here is 838.25. We just traded to 835.75.
Only thing stopping me from entering that trade right here is 15-minute CAC.
It seems like recently, every time I'm in a trade, I'm getting perfectly edged on my stop loss and then going where I want them.
So you're saying the market's edging you?
Yeah, she has been edging me, but she's been rewarding me still, which is nice, you know. It's the worst when you edge and you get no reward, you know.
I love this show.
We're still talking about trading, right?
No.
We're talking about trading.
Okay. Pretty sure.
No more.
I love this show. And if the audience
MES short, 5-minute CBC.
Yeah, okay, well, join me. Oh my gosh, they almost took me out. He said, no, sir, I'm going to give you it. Fucking put it on a silver
And
platter.
if the audience is enjoying this show, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that retweet button. Also, let us know in the comments what you're trading, what you're looking at. See what I did there, Jordan?
Oh, that was beautiful. Absolutely.
That's what they call me, the best host, dude.
Yeah.
And look at that gold dump.
He's a
Let's
G
go,
host.
baby. Let's go.
I'm going to look to potentially add.
All right, look at that. 6-point gain. ES. I'm covering half.
I'm moving my stop to break even on gold here. We are risk free on the trade now.
I'm going to see if I can find a good area to pyramid into this entry.
Yeah, the 3
Fancy way to
minutes,
say
the
it.
3 minutes guiding me here. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna go short once we get another green candle. 15 minutes looks ugly.
Well, I was looking at ES at 3 minutes. I was like, green, I was flapping.
Yeah, I never did.
Here's 80 points on the short. I'm not trimming yet, though. I'm not trimming until 200 points.
Yeah, see that on the 3 minute right there, Joe? Your entry was like 74.66, 74.67 on EMA 20. That was your entry.
I have a level at 472. I was just looking at NQ at the time.
Yeah.
Taking that.
Oh my God, NQ. Oh yeah, look at that. And gold.
Dude.
Gold.
Nice, Will. Look at gold. 40-40 coming into play again.
That's my first scale out point, 40-40.
And if we zoom out, like look at SPY or ES futures on the daily or 4 hour, look at the range. We've been talking about this past few weeks, 7,600 down to 7,400. We're only 58 points away from it, so keep that target on watch. I really like a sweep under 400, like 360s. That's ES.
God,
There you go, gold. There you go.
I'm moving stop
dive.
down to 814, limiting my risk even more on this trade. So I entered it half position. Now I'm limiting risk even more. Not break even yet though. Not yet. Not yet.
That's right. You just head for that low, Gold. That's all you gotta do. Bust it down, baby.
I did move a trim into this a little closer into the sell side liquidity at 930. So the 930 low created. I want to see us trade right back into that, and I will take some off. That will be first trim at 131 points.
Here's that green. Come on,
Okay,
just
so-
smack it down, dude.
Yeah, I already took it.
Smack it down like Beyonce. Come on.
Air shoulder block created. I want to see this fair value gap stay open.
Boop, 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 boop. You liking that short, baby? You like that? I'm gonna be able to buy you some more bottles after this one.
Be a break.
Don't you dare try to send this up, Bulls. Don't you dare try.
She could, but if we hold these 1 minute gaps, I like it.
Trail stop hit remainder, ES, break even.
I'm gonna have to stop that soon. Back in.
No, they're trying. They're trying.
I like how we wicked there on that 1 minute candle. Bodies, or wicks doing the damage, bodies telling the story.
Yeah, exactly.
So far. Let's see if that can continue here.
Short ES again here, smaller size, risking previous 5 minute candle high.
I love
Hard
it. Give
stop.
us that freaking 930 open low. Come on. Honestly, that pop-up right there was a great pyramid entry. I should have fucking taken it.
There we go.
Too
Trailing.
far gone.
Dumpity dump dump.
If I take
Dump
the
it
entry
down.
here, my
Dump
average is
it
shit.
down. Dump it
Oh
down.
my, yeah, no way it wicked me out. That's okay, I'm not gonna touch this again.
Dump it.
I'm still short from 786, 75. First trim is the 655, 75.
Dump it. Short him in Q. Same strategy as Maple.
Let's see.
This is or below support. Be careful down here.
Yup. Small size. Very small size, like 2 contracts. Not even. Oh, I know. See what they do. Let's see how they do.
Come on, give me that 930 low, baby.
Gold, SGCR maybe?
Yeah. It
Same
looks like
setup
it.
though. At the orb.
Alright, I'm gonna leave this alone down here. I'm gonna be right back.
Oh. Nah, they're gonna try to send it up beyond another green candle here. They'll try, maybe. We'll see. What's his volume looking like?
I
There's a
pyramided
lot
into
of
the
volume.
position there on that pop. So
Lot
I
of volume
added
here.
added to my winner there, keeping my risk exactly the same from the initial entry. I'm not having to risk more because I want to add more. That happens when you add to losers. I only add to winners.
See, smart, man. Smart.
What I see the best traders doing, I just want to mimic them.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
then all the people I see blowing accounts, they add the losers.
And the thing that people don't realize is like you don't want to average your amount of loss down. You want to cut your losses as quickly as possible. Like you want to be wrong as fast as possible.
There are ways to do it, like averaging down on a position. Again, I've said it before, like if you're taking full position, you can't average down. if you're initially entering full position. But
Yeah,
if
exactly.
you're entering saying I'm willing to enter 5 contracts, but you're starting out with 1, then yes, you can be adding to losers.
Bro,
that makes
Tesla.
But stop out here.
Oh, Tesla.
Is she getting cooked?
Oh, dude, extra cooked. Like this is. Oh, look at the daily.
I'm not even gonna look at my long.
Dude, Tesla's down almost 13% right now.
Oh,
Dude, look at the gap down on Tesla. From 370, it's at 327 right now. This thing is drilled.
Nasty, bro.
Oh,
Guess it's a good time to buy some Tesla. I mean, like the car, not the stock.
yeah.
Oh, there it is. Gold, beautiful, beautiful gold. That's right. Drop it down, dude.
I moved my stop down.
There we go.
To this 790 area.
Dude, give me that 20 points on gold. Give me that 20 points on gold. Come on.
Dude, that's nasty, bro. That means 1 micro. That's like $400.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Lockheed Martin.
Yeah, I had earnings.
Oh yeah, look at that bad boy.
Oh, MNQ, why are you playing with me like this? Come on.
Oil also creeping back over 91. Can you see 100 again?
I haven't been
Let's see
stopped out
RTX
the rest
as
of
well.
my SPY calls yet. I'm still just sitting in the rest.
Yeah, 15-minute CBC still long, still holding on MNQ.
I'm out of my short there.
I'm out of my short as well.
Yep.
I just got stopped out.
I pyramided into that position and was able to take a smaller loss than the half risk that I initially was risking on the beginning of the trade. Beautiful thing. So how much did I actually lose
come
there?
back to hitting my stop. Contracts came back to 285, and now they're back up to 316 right here. And we're just popping off the same zone again.
I came into the trade risking 250, ended only losing 174. Love that. Keep the losses small. Didn't want to see us come back up this far. We could still go lower, but
It's just
I
less
wanted us
likely
to
now.
act super heavy, and if we were going to act super heavy, we would have stayed under the midpoint of the
Exactly.
Too. So if it goes, cool, but it's not. It's more of a headache. And it's taken this long. Oh, I'd hate if that was just to grab my stop and go lower, though.
I think we're gonna chop for a little bit today. How far out of the money can I sell on SPX right now? Oh, they're juicy.
Yeah, VIX is at 20, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A little juicy.
19
I can
VIX.
sell
Yeah, we could sell. I'm gonna sell.
I can sell 73.50s. I can go $80 lower on XPX. Like what's like SPY's already down how much today? 1%. Q's is at 1.25. I mean, we could drop another percent, but
There's gold. Red candle, pre-market low test. 44
There we go.
right now.
There we go, baby. There we go.
what about call? Oh, there's juice on the call side too.
Got juice like traffic, isn't it?
You could go $70, $80 upside too.
Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute.
We're flirting around with POC.
Ooh, that's a drop.
Yeah. Look at MNQ being a nasty little bird right now. Look at that.
Nasty little bird.
Look at that, dude.
I'm back short again.
Let's go. Come on.
Look at that. They did
Let's go.
exactly what
5 point
they said they
game.
were doing, George.
Covered half.
I'm king of re-entries, bro. King of re-entries. You want to fucking take me
You
out?
did exactly what they said you were doing, bro.
Nothing wrong with a little double dip.
You're talking to the king of
Look
re-entries,
at
bro.
that. 20 point
get
game,
me?
MGC, baby. You ain't gonna get me, bitch.
That's right. Let's ride. Short green, cover red. Here we go. 11 point game. 12 point game.
Oh, we're about to see lows.
Guys, let's get.
I just got taken out
Yep. Here's your daily 50 again. I kind of want to take this Iron Condor.
Oh, I'm only doing put spread, but I want to see lower first. I want to see if we get new lows.
You can sell 7,500s on SPXs. You can sell 7,330s. Like 70, 80 bucks out of the money both sides. I can collect $100 on a premium right now.
Okay.
Charlie, stop. Mine's break even. We'll see if we get tagged out, but that was a good scalp. Gold tap pre-market low. You're seeing some profit taking back to the 3-minute EMAs. Again, be careful testing or below support low of day on all trading vehicles.
Yeah, I just moved my my trailing stop on gold right above EMA 9. I'm gonna see if we can keep riding this thing.
I'm gonna ride. I kind of want to open these two separately.
No.
Yeah, I'm not gonna chase or blow. I'm just gonna chill on MES and MNQ. Just gonna chill.
73, 75. SPX.
So I'm still looking to target the midpoint of that daily wick, 588.50, and then 498.50.
Nice.
Iron Condor is already losing premium pretty good.
Don't want to see it trade back to these most recent highs. Just from the stop this.
I'm gonna short ES here off the POC.
Nice.
I like that spot. As long as you hold down here.
Just short at 61, 461.
And you're up 30 points.
Ram, buddy. And back to entry.
Yeah, MNQ just like moves so volatile like that, bro. It's insane.
Nothing yet.
Don't take care of your body.
Yeah, something that concerns me on MNQ is that 15-minute CBC hasn't flipped just yet. So, for all intents and purposes, there, like we're still
That stopped me right there.
long bias.
I'm just tempted to go long every single time we hit this spot.
Exactly, dude.
I can't short it down. I can't short
Stop remainder.
Yeah, sitting on
Exactly,
the daily,
bro.
the daily 50 right here on SPY. Like,
Exactly, dude.
the only way I think I could short is if we see an uptick in volume and we sell underneath of it, go make a lower low. When they bounce back up to retest it, to reject it, then I could do it. But sitting right here on this daily 50, I just have to watch to see if buyers are trending and just keep buying this shit.
Oh, they're still grinding out. It's good for shorts.
Okay, I sold a put spread. I sold 682 puts for QQQ and bought 678 puts.
I'm trying to enter this Iron Condor. I'm just trying this one premium. Saw that at $1, now it's at 80. I might just open things up separately.
That's exactly
They're
why I'm
trying
not
to
trading
send
my
it
live
down.
account.
Look at that.
Yes. Give me 930 open low.
Should have given it a smidgen more room.
Nice, dude. Nice, Jordan. Nice.
I like that down close candle, the way it closed under this gap that we're still trying to trade in. Now we're back testing it. If we can get some Momo to the downside, take out this low real quick. Be beautiful. And then
A double dip.
You double dipper, you. The day he double dipped.
I'm gonna trail into profit. I'd rather get taken out and wait than taken that out.
He never dipped again.
I got 3 points on it right now, and I got taken out for even. Okay. It's just chopping around here.
Yeah. That's kind of why I don't like the shorts here, because we're not getting all that Momo to the downside with the CBC long on the 15 minutes. It's kind of it's dangerous, bro. Plus we're nearing warp low.
Yeah, I'm just. Yeah.
It's dangerous, dude.
I'm having a good day, so I just think I'm gonna not waste my time with this area.
Dude, smart thing. I feel the same. 4 for 4 today. After losing yesterday, gotta preserve that mental capital.
Oh yeah.
Gold, but to hit my trailing stop.
I've been doing better at getting myself out of that. Like I gotta fix my red trades, my red day mentalities, and then that leads to overtrading.
Freaking Honeywell.
Gosh. Yeah, dude, 100%. You know, really what it comes down to is pride. It's oh man, we know we're good traders, but when we're experiencing red, we're uncomfortable, and we try to prove, that point on the charts, on the market, backed by emotions, and pride will get you every time.
Yeah.
Every time.
Same goes for when you guys, win or loss, right? Knowing when to walk away is one of the most difficult things to assess and do as a trader. You could be up all accounts over daily goal, have that aggression, have that euphoria set, and ruin your day for no reason whatsoever other than trying to make a little bit more money when you've already made more money than the average American would make in a few weeks. I mean, the opportunities in the market are insane. Through options, copy trading prop firms, copy trading, live accounts, everything, man. Don't blow it up because you want to have some existential, prove yourself in one day. It's not going to happen. It's going to take years.
I think about that. God, what was I supposed to say? I think about that in the sense of why are you trading? Are you trading to try to make money, or are you trading because you want to participate in the craft of trading? If you're trading to make money, it will never be enough. When do you stop? You don't. But if you're trading for the craft of trading, then there's no setup right here. If I take a trade right here, besides maybe shorts risking prior highs, okay, that could be a setup, but I don't think that'd be good for my craft of trading to take this trade. It's not for money. It's just a trade book.
Yeah. Dude, there's a reason that everybody was back testing over the weekend and was the best trader ever, and then get into live markets. And there's a reason that you can't now do that. It's that thought of money, man.
Look at that gold dump, baby.
People think it don't matter, but take me lower.
We hold on to our runners and trail our stops. So when gold dumps again, we keep making money.
You know what happens? You know what happens when you trade with pride is you're in the gym. You leave your desk for the day because you had a small red day, and then you're in the gym and you're letting your emotions get to you. So you start trading, and your pride is getting the best of you because you're thinking about the loss that you had this morning and you want to make it back. And then, by the end of your session, you lost $7,000.
Yeah.
And that is a true story. And those days will forever humble you as a trader.
And then after that, you have to go and mingle with the wife and have fun with the kids. And it's like, how do you even do that?
And then after that, you buy a Corvette. You buy a Corvette after that.
Yeah, how do you?
I came home and I told them all the new Bluey toys that I got for Christmas. I had to go return them to Walmart.
Yeah.
We were in a deep financial hole now. You don't understand what just happened with me and SPX at the gym. Our lives are completely fucked now, guys. My bad.
They're like, Dad, what's SPX? What do they do?
It's my other wife.
Yeah, but no, just coming from experience. We all have our stories, but that is Maple hit it on the head right there when he mentioned pride. That was something that I struggled with on my red days, and there was times where I felt like the market took something away from me, and I felt like I needed to beat the market that day and get it back. You can't take that money from me. What the fuck do you think you're doing? I'm gonna go get it back from you. And you start trading differently, and then the market again humbles you even more.
That's 100%. Powerful story, dude. I have something similar when I first started trading, and this is a decade ago, long time ago. It was like the early beginnings of me taking a bathroom break at work and trading options, on Robinhood. And I remember I turned $1,000 into 25 grand, I think, or 20 something grand, on some options on some penny stocks. And I was like, dude, I'm so good at this. Oh my god, heck yeah! I'm just gonna turn this into $1 million by the end of the year. It's gonna be so amazing. And then on one trade, bro, it wiped me out completely. The most money I'd ever seen in my life at the time.
Yeah.
It was completely wiped out my account, $0, 0 cents, and I'm sitting there just feeling the absolute worst, bro. The void, the darkness had consumed me, and I was like, oh my god, I just felt so empty, bro. And after that, I had to sit down and really study and whatnot. But I feel like you have to hit that moment, and then that's where traders are born. Is you either walk away forever from a moment like that, or you let it kind of define you and you learn from it, and you go, okay, well, never again. How do I avoid that feeling? It's don't get emotion, don't get too emotional. Don't become overconfident. Obviously, have confidence in your setups, but don't become the guy that's oh my god, I'm the best at everything. This is it's so easy for me, and then you just lose it all on that trade, and you're just wow, I'm a dumbass.
Yeah, because I'll say right now, if you don't correct that of yourself and it continues to happen again, you're going to start doubting if you can even trade whatsoever. You're going to quit. You're going to lose your money. You're going to quit. You're going to walk away from whatever it is. And for some people, maybe that's an option. For me, it wasn't an option. So if I know it's not an option for me to stop trading and I need to figure this out and figure myself out in the morning, you need to identify all the issues that you are doing wrong. Have a heart-to-heart with yourself and realize yes, I fucked up. You have to say, you have to not really talk shit about yourself, but at the same time you do. You have to come to the realization I broke my rules, and when I break my rules and I fuck up, the market does this to me. Do I want that to happen again? No. So you have to acknowledge it and learn from it and then keep moving forward. Otherwise, if you don't, you will continue to get humbled by the market and you will quit. And it's just, for me, it wasn't an option.
was never in my vocabulary, bro.
Oh yeah, I don't
I
quit.
think as well, like a lot of traders, you know, they go through and they're like, oh man, like I had a red day, whatever, right? They don't really try to dig deeper and understand why they had a red day, what setups caused that, what emotions, you know, caused that as well. So I really recommend for the listeners, you guys should be journaling. I know it's not something most people want to do, but in my opinion, it's what's going to give you the biggest form of progress. Dude, yeah, same here.
Every emotion I felt, the type of environment we were trading in, everything.
Yep, you have to, because you know this builds like a muscle memory within the market. That's why all of the speakers up here can read and trade price with confidence, because we're not only getting screen time when the market is live, we're back testing these after the market is closed, and that's the most important time of your day. Not while the market's open, but your review time. Dedicate at least an hour a day. I promise you, the listeners, do this. Go to your settings, go to your screen time, look at how much these social media apps are consuming your time each day. Your trading view or whatever charting app you use might have, aside from trading, maybe 30 minutes or less, right? You need to spend more time reviewing, studying, journaling, instead of like doom scrolling, please. All right. If that's you, you're doom scrolling, you're not studying, you don't really want it. You don't have a passion for this. So you're not going to succeed.
I agree. Couldn't agree more.
If anyone out there is listening to that right now and they're saying, well, I don't have the time, I'm going to call fucking bullshit. Can't find the time to do it.
That's an excuse. It's always an excuse.
You can find
time for important things. It's as simple as that. You make time for important things. And
if
trading's important to you, you'll make time for it.
I don't give a shit if you work 12-hour shifts. If you got multiple kids, other things to attend to, I don't give a shit.
It doesn't take long.
You can find time every single day. Like
even 30 minutes a day.
30 minutes. 30 minutes. I don't care. I mean, you can go to work at 7 a.m., work until 7 p.m. You come home, have dinner, put your kids to bed. It's 9:30. Yeah, you're tired. Go look at the chart for 30 minutes to an hour.
Stop watching Netflix.
Yeah.
There's nothing even good on Netflix to watch.
I know.
Study.
Yeah.
Cancel your
fucking Netflix subscription and look at the charts.
No, but it's so true. Like,
you can find
the amount
time.
of notes. You guys should see my computer. I have 1, 2, 3. I have like years of just mentorship notes of the style that I trade that I go back to refer to and study and freaking back test what I know from that. And like each folder is full of notes, like 50 pages worth on each one. It's just like, you gotta put in that work, man.
You have to, man. You absolutely have to. Dude, because of that, I haven't journaled in a while, but I have my journal sitting over here on the table. And I just went and opened it up. And my first entry when I started journaling in here was on Thursday, March 20th, 2025. And
oh, wow.
I said I only have 11 more days until my tax forms are filed and I can submit them. That way I can go ahead and apply for the new house and finally get things started for the family.
Yeah.
Go house shopping to get it set up. And then I said my goals for today at 9:13 a.m. are to trade less because the patience for the day. And then my results for the day were taking 2 trades on Amazon and I calls that absolutely paid, and I was done by 12:07 that day. And then I journaled the trades right after it.
During this conversation, guys, I've really enjoyed it, but I've also just wanted to announce that I've been trading this chop on MMQ. Just the bottom, the top, and it's been working out really well. Just one contract. So
yeah, you see that doji though?
Yeah.
I don't know if NQ has it, but the 15-minute.
Yep.
Oh yeah, 15-minute doji. Dude, that's all you got to do right there. Bring a red rover.
Yeah, and it's got a lot of upper wisdom.
Yeah, lower and upper, bro. It's been insane. It's just been hitting that pre-market low and then popping right back up.
Sitting directly on SPY's daily 50. Still. We're in a 5-minute squeeze that has been forming for the last 20 minutes. 2 things are flat, 1 is bearish, which makes sense because the candles have been coming down the last
minutes while we're doing the base.
I'm still short. IB's about to form. Technically on IB, we should take out the high, but with the range that we have and how closer we are to the low, I would forfeit IB spots.
I'm just waiting to add to my put spread. I want to see if we
Play out
dip.
Potentially. I just could care less about IB on a day like this.
I'm trying to get an Iron Condor, but now it's at 60, and I saw it at 100.
Ooh.
And I'm like, look, now it's at 55. Look, it's gonna be at 50%. I can't even get into this. I might just say fuck it and open up the put side first.
If people talking about they're busy, dude, I'm holding my baby girl right now taking trades, and I'm teaching her. All right.
Let's go. Someone said willing to share any trading rules that help you bounce back from that 7K loss. The biggest thing is the next day, because of the fact that one, you're going to do usually one of two things naturally as a human being when it comes to when you take a big loss. One, you're going to try to size up to make that money back, and it's going to cause issues because now you're breaking risk management rules, which is going to lead to bad trading habits overall. Number two is now you're going to be scared to trade the market because you just took that big loss, and you're going to be timid. You're going to be doubting your executions and your trades, talking yourself in and out of setups the whole time. So I will tell you what I did that helped is you forget about that huge loss that you just had, and you have to detach your emotions from the money as if the money doesn't mean anything to you. Like, yes, the money means a lot to you because that's, it's your money. It's how you're maybe paying bills or whatever it is, but you have to almost detach your emotions from it. So you just have to be like, yep, I lost that $7,000. It is what it is. Let's move on to the next day. Don't change your sizing. Don't make that previous trade affect your future trades. You just have to continue to look for the same setups with your system that that works. You always need to have a set of rules for who you are as a trader and the way that you manage your account. When you break them, the market lets you know that you broke them. So you just have to honestly just realize it. There's a book, and I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I know something along the lines of like be a good loser. Like the good loser still wins.
The best loser wins.
The best loser wins. Yeah.
I forget who it's by, but it's a great book.
Yeah, like you have to realize, like you will lose in the market. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts.
I took 3 trades yesterday, 2 losing.
Tom
Oh yeah, maybe that's it. Mabel.
Yeah, Tom. Yeah, another great book is The Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler.
Yes.
Dude, I used to think like as a human I could control my emotions, but that book really opened my eyes to the fact that I can't control them, but I can use them as signals, within the market. So like, hey, I'm really aggressive, really euphoric, really ecstatic about taking trades. I have to reflect on that, like third party, and say, hey, maybe I shouldn't be putting on as much size or as many trades, and maybe I need to pull back from the market. Same goes when people are dealing with disparity, or they're desperate, or feeling FOMO. You have to be able.
By the way. Sorry.
Yes, sorry. No, you're good. I'm watching it too. You have to be able to identify that in real time so that you can avoid making those novice mistakes time and time again.
Here's 930 open low. Bang, taken out. I'm still short. Been short this whole time. 724.50 is the entry. I'm looking to take it off a bit at 588.50. Watch this spot though. This is a great partial here at the low a day. It's just not enough range for me. I can't partial here.
XOM is ripping, new high of day. we mentioned this on Monday. I sent a chart out for Oxy on Sunday, but if you start to see a rotation out of tech weakness in your Qs, you would probably see some positive movement to the upside on your energy names. And the top two were Oxy and XOM, which have been running the last 3 days. They were looking really good.
All right, we're sweeping that low. We have the little gap made above, but we need to see us hold that or else cooked. Don't know if I'm gonna get that full move to this midpoint that I want, but we're gonna try.
We're gonna try. It is after 10:30 as well.
I limited
Yeah,
risk.
I mean, the fact that we swept orb low makes me feel like we're going to continue lower. I mean, just with all that push right there, and now we're seeing it fall apart again. Like, I don't know.
I limited risk even more, so my entry is 724.50. My stop is now only at 744.50, so I'm literally risking 20 points. Even if I were to take another loss again, this wouldn't even put me to like $200 down on the entire day on all my fundeds. So I'm down 170 right now. So yeah.
I want to see where this 3 minute close is here. If it closes outside of orb, I'll be a little bit more confident in the push, but we'll see.
I want to see speed under this low.
Yeah, exactly.
Speed.
This
Let's
is
see
where we want
full body
speed.
below orb here. That's all I want to see. We got the full body below orb, but it is a smaller one, so caution. Yeah, they're trying to push it up here.
There's a tough high resistance liquidity run. I don't love trading.
Especially after running down already so much in free market, you know?
Mhm.
Like,
I literally wanted to
it's a
put
tough
long
one right there.
Didn't have it. So 1 minute gap above us.
Yeah.
694. Need to see that hold for us to go lower.
Seeing a lot of strike prices.
Yeah.
Damn, building up below you right now.
Yeah, it's them trying to run it up.
That's okay. You can pop into this gap. Just don't run through it.
Yeah.
Tap into the gap there. I see bearish reactions. You start to run through this area, I'll probably get stopped. That's all right. It'll be 2 losses, but both very small losses. Oh, they're coming for it.
Wow, that's a bounce.
Look at that, dude.
It's the daily 50 still there on the SPY every time it hits.
That's why I moved my risk down after we sweep that low. And I, could have partialed there, but it wasn't enough range for me. With the amount of contracts that I'm trading, I needed more range to be able to partial. It just wasn't enough. I'd rather lose.
Wow, that's a bounce.
There's my stop.
Dude, I should just fucking put resting orders to long every time he hits this one.
Oh my god, look at that, dude. That whole area is a long paradise right there, dude. Look at that.
And this is what's beautiful. I came into the day telling myself I'm gonna risk 250 on each account on every trade. And I've taken 2 losses on the day. I'm only down $256.
Let's go.
That's
What did
it's
IB
limiting
say,
risk.
Jordan?
IB says take out the high, but we already took out the low, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, true. But yeah, no, good risk management on your part, brother. Like that's what it's all about right there.
Yeah.
Well, we took out the low on Qs.
Yes, we did. Did we not on ES?
No, we didn't.
But was the low made first on ES, or was the high made first?
I think
the
low.
was made
The
first,
low.
so technically, IB says you should take out the high on ES.
Look at that doji method, Will. Still holding, bro.
Yep. OG Doji.
I just want to smack it long.
Smack it. She's an OG Doji.
Dude, I can't wait. We're gonna have a blast.
We
New
are,
York.
dude. We're gonna be running the Pachinko parlor, bro. Smoking
Yes,
cigs, wearing
sir.
flip flops. I love it, dude.
Dude, I'm wearing a suit. Fuck it. We're gonna go wear a suit in Pachinko.
Oh, I gotta bring my
Mate,
suit
I'm
that don't
getting
fit
dressed in a
anymore, bro.
flipping
Damn,
nice.
bro. You wanna do me dirty like that?
Dude, they're gonna make me.
Dude, I had to go buy one. I was like, oh shoot, what do I need to wear?
I'm getting one this weekend.
Dude, I know. I was so like out of my element. I'm so used to wearing like flip flops, t-shirt, shorts. That's it.
Yeah, I have my wedding suit still, but like I don't fit in it anymore. So I can't wear that. I might just bring a blazer and some khakis. We'll see. I'm just gonna cosplay as a student. I'm gonna wear khakis and a blazer with a tie.
Navy blue.
Yeah, navy blue. I'm gonna have like a school badge. It's gonna make the House of Stacks school badge. You know,
That's what I'm trying to talk about.
got my notepad. All right, I think we've finally broken this trend here. Let's see. 3 minutes at least telling me what we have. Let's see if she
5
holds.
minutes VWAP on keys retest.
Let's see if she holds.
Yeah, 15 minutes on SPY, just disgusting. The 10-minute close decent.
It's all disgusting, bro. It's all
But-
so disgusting, dude.
The longer I wait to enter into this SPX, just the more money I'm not making. Because we're just chopping.
Chop City. She hit Chop City, bro.
Chops. Chops.
Yeah, what we got, fam?
You could see the lower.
Dude,
they send it
I
right-
should have shorted that green, bro. Look at that. Short green, cover red. Now maybe buy it.
Look at that, dude.
Posted
VWAP
my
on keys
trade
just got-
executions up top. If you guys want to see the 2 losses, easy. Keep the losses small.
The market's just like, whatever, dude. Market's like, yeah, we'll send this back and forth all day long, dude. We do not care.
What are the orbs looking like? Let's see, 30-minute orb.
They're bringing it right back in.
Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla. Oh no, it just said Nvidia went back inside orb. So
Bro, those things
Tesla,
keep making me get
Amazon,
back in this.
Microsoft.
Or they come for my full target value. Well, not full target, but first trend.
Close enough, right? I'm just waiting for him to send it right back up. Fucking shorted it.
I still want to see market trade into the 50% of this daily wick where I have trends.
They ain't doing it, bro.
Spot makes sense. 5.850. Still makes sense to me.
MRK is ripping.
Dude, they just drained the living shit out of that.
Yeah. Ooh, there it is. There it is.
They grabbed my stop at that most recent high.
Yeah, they just said, why not? That's all they said. They said, why not, dude?
Yeah, I mean, that's what happens in a high resistance environment. Can't really be upset. I mean, I'm trading high resistance. That's what happens.
Tesla, when stop dying?
When stop dying.
When no die.
Still a great day. Play my
Three.
plan, follow my rules.
I'm gonna set an alert on Tesla at 3:15.
I do want to announce that the retail shill stock, SLS, is up 4%.
Nice.
Get Amazon. Oh, probably be down 5%.
Dude, SLS is annoying me so bad, but just give it time.
So I know I was too late to SLS, but my freaking
Dude, I was super late.
My wife's boss talked about it. He doesn't even trade stocks.
Oh no.
He was like, dude, you buy SLS, bro? I've been making so much money on that, and I was like,
shit.
Oh. I was like, oh.
That's bad, bro. Let them get washed. Hopefully they just got washed out, but I see 20, 25.
Yeah, I just bought some leaves on it, some $9 leaves on it.
Amazon has a gap to fill. It's about $1 lower. This thing's drilling.
I hate the options liquidity on there, but I see some opportunities, so I said, why not?
Dude, my long-term report is probably like.
There's the 15-minute short CBC. We finally got it. Let's go.
Lego.
Ooh, Microsoft just got extra soft.
Now I just need some green candles back to the EMAs for me, please, Daddy, and then I'll short you.
Look at everything just went below orb. The only thing inside orb right now is Apple, Google, SPY. Apple makes sense. Google just accepted back in. It's slow after this big drop. SPY is because it's holding up better in Qs. IWM is also. IWM looks the worst.
I'm annoyed at that stuff out, but I'm working on it.
IWM is a straight barcode on the 5-minute. It's not breaking down or going up.
Gold.
50 minutes of flatlining. $1 million of the Google calls just came in 335s for the end of the month. Someone's buying this dip.
Someone buying the dip. Yeah, give me that EMA retest. Come on.
Oh man, looks like shit right here.
Yup. Super shit. Mega shit.
I mean, I see what you're looking at for the support, but that's an ugly ass daily. It kind of looks like a Head and Shoulders.
And it's not. He's not talking about the shampoo, everyone.
Still think you see this 588.50 daily wick.
588.50, you said?
Mm-hmm. That's the exact midpoint of that big ass daily wick that made the low. That is the low of the range currently. Generally, the midpoint of those giant wicks, especially on a bigger time frame, are intraday levels that you want to watch out for.
Yeah,
We can definitely trade through it.
Yeah.
It's just it's an area that I would look for an initial bounce, and so that's why I have my trims there. Looks like you'll still reach it, so my ideas were perfectly correct. Just trailing that stop loss, a little too tight in a high resistance liquidity environment. I have to give it a little more room, knowing that it's high resistance, knowing that the pullbacks are going to be deeper against me. Other than that, I wouldn't have done anything differently than what I did this morning. Pyramided into that entry, had 2 entries into it. It's beautiful. Did exactly what I wanted. Happy with it.
Good stuff, man.
And I didn't even have to sacrifice any of my actual hard-earned funds in my live account, but still gain experience and practice trading the fundeds and still able to make money. So, great day. And regardless, even with the loss,
Beautiful day.
I've taken 2 trades. On normal risk, I should be down $1,000 on half risk, I should be down 500, but I'm down 250 just because as the trade's working for me, I'm starting to trail those stops, right? Don't want to see these areas get retested and able to limit those losses a little bit more.
Yeah. I'm a fan. I'm always a fan of trailing stops, locking in profits, etc. Like, you don't want to just leave a bunch on the table, man, especially when you're so deep in the money.
If you're not trimming, like at least trailing stop and limiting risk, right? Or going to break even. And that's what I do. I may not trim at a certain level. Like even this morning, I was up 80 points, but given the size and the range, it doesn't matter that I'm up 80 points. That's not enough range for me given the sizing for me this morning. So, right, I move stops down. I don't necessarily trim because I can't yet for the risk reward I'm looking for, but I can at least move my stops down and cover myself, $100 or whatever it is, and limit those losses a bit more. Makes it easier to take the next trade.
Exactly, dude. No, I've said that better myself.
And it's like, a lot of people are like, well, Jordan, aren't you worried? Like, you just got stopped out and it literally came right back down. It's about to hit your target. Like, aren't you bummed? I mean, kind of, but like, I know the environment. I know that this is the environment that's going to happen.
MES short scalp.
This is beautiful. This is like super high resistance and back and forth. I know when I get an environment that's like much cleaner, dude, this loss I won't even remember. I'll be making so much money that I won't even care about it. Like, it doesn't matter. It just doesn't
making
matter.
so much money, I don't even know what's going on.
Yeah, like these high resistance environments, you've got to expect what.
Damn, Maple,
right
look
now.
at that entry. Sorry, Jordan. Oh my god.
My entry is not good, but maybe we can see a deeper lower low. I should have shorted that green.
Give them that 588.50. Come on.
Holy.
All right, new low day. I'm going to cover half, just a few points. It's a smaller size scalp because of the risk.
Give them the 588.50.
Give them the loot.
Dude, Tesla's still dying, down 14%.
Oh, Tesla. I can't look at my long term if I can.
It's going to make you puke. Don't do it.
I'll only go in there, but I'll hide the dollars to fucking buy, but I won't buy more Tesla. I already own too much. So we won't
You
get
can
more.
always buy more.
He's long Elon, everyone.
I don't
Gotta
need to
take
buy
out a
more.
loan.
I don't need to buy more.
I love taking out loans, bro.
If I'm buying anything, I need to buy S&P. Cheers.
I mean, that's what my retirement account's made up of, dude. SPY and a couple of other things.
There's my
6 point gain
level.
ES, covered a quarter.
This is the
We break
midpoint
this
wick.
spot here. I think we can see 687 area on Qs. SPY will go down to 736, 735.
Send it.
This is a very nice move to that 0.5. Love to see it.
Down.
So this is where I would have trimmed, and then any stops that I have would have been moved to profit.
Dude, that's insane. MNQ moved. It's almost 200 points. 150 right there.
Yeah. From my entry, that would have been what is that? That would have been a 136 point trim.
689 is lighting up right now.
Here's
SPX is actually 7350.
So guys, we're at or below. Do I buy here?
That's the only
No,
mistake I
you
made.
chase the breakout.
Chase it. Obviously, you just chase the short, everyone.
Just chase everything, dude.
So what's your strategy when trading? I just chase everything, dude. Like, I'm like a rabbit.
Yeah, dude. I see I feel the market.
Yeah, I vibe. I check the vibes first. And, if the vibes are good, I just chase, bro. I chase whatever I see. And that's why I'm one of the most successful traders you ever met.
Yeah, find my Discord, please.
Find my Discord. I'll make sure you lose money. Don't worry.
Respecting midpoint of this wick so far. I'll see if you can get trading under it. But what a great trim spot. There's a reason I had trims there.
That's why they call Jordan the barber. Constantly
Yeah.
trimming.
Yeah,
I
just
ain't
trailed
getting
that
the end of
stop
the
a
morning.
little too tight, man. Just a little too tight. Should have been at the top of that.
I'm like way more
Lower
awake and I'm in
time.
such a better mood, dude. I hit the gym in the mornings again.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, it's a cheat code.
It really is. I used to do it all the time. I used to hit the gym at like 5:30, 6 a.m. like religiously 6 times a week before breakfast, completely fasted. But then I had a kid, so yeah, I actually gained 50 pounds and have not gone to the gym since she was born. So I decided to go back this morning, and I felt so good. It felt terrible. I'm way out of shape, but I felt good afterwards.
Hey, getting in there though.
Getting under the 0.5.
I was like doing the row machine. I was like out of breath after like 10 minutes. I was like, dude, this is bad. I was like, oof, I am fat. Yeah, no trades for me right now. I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, I literally just trailed that stock a little too aggressively. I would trail it at that 1031 high. It should have been at the 1022 high because that's the true top of that range that we were trading in. That would have saved me. That would have, had a pop close to it, but wouldn't have fully stopped me out. That's the only thing. Could have done better there.
Damn, Tesla breaking hearts right now, dude. Woo.
Yeah, bro, breaking hearts.
LLY
Smashing portfolios. Eli Lilly.
Yeah, and apparently there is some kind of peptide event news meeting or something later today.
Mog maxing.
So SpaceX down to 111. Oh ho ho.
What?
Yeah.
No way.
She's dead.
No way.
Show me 80. Show me 80.
Bro, the Atlanta bag holders.
We got
84%.
I still think 65 to 70.
But guys,
Yeah.
IPO was supposed to be different. What happened?
Dude, it's SpaceX, bro. It's never gonna take.
It's never gonna go now,
Shut
dude.
up.
Dude, I will buy so much of it.
Never want to see that come out of anybody's filthy mouth again, bro.
I'm
Swear to God.
gonna like look into getting some leaps on it at 70.
Oh, dude, SpaceX, dude. It's the biggest company. Yeah, Meta was the biggest company too when it IPO'd. And look what it did. Who give a shit? Okay. Tried to freaking save people, man. We were on here
Dude,
day
I
after
tried to save
day.
my neighbor.
Day after day, we were on here telling people it's not the move right now, man. Wait a year. Wait 6 months.
My neighbor bought the fucking top, dude.
Dude, I never buy IPOs, bro.
Of course he did, bro.
Dude, I told him not to. Literally, like, he just bought it, like an hour or two before we had the conversation. I was like, dude, don't fucking do it.
Don't do it.
He's like, Casey, look, I'm up, bro. I'm up like 30%. Great, right? And you're just like, dude, just wait. And then, sure enough. The only IPO that's ever worked out for me was Circle, dude. I got in that Circle at $38. I got in with small size, and I just knew for a fact. I was like, this thing is just gonna tank, and it ripped to like $300.
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna post a screenshot of my SPCQ gains, but I need AI to create a SpaceX.
Like once you do, Casey, don't forget to trim. Always
I can't
trim.
I can't trim anymore.
Oh, damn.
I'm just letting it ride, baby.
Just let it ride.
Dude, I had 1,000 shares, and I think right now, hold on, I might be up 10 grand now total. I gotta be close. I think I'm up like maybe 9-ish between the two accounts, but I only have 200 left. I want to see the 100 break on SpaceX and go down to the 70s.
I might get short again if these rip up, but I think this thing's played out on the short side.
Yeah, I just don't need to. Better days to come. I know it's hit my target, and I'd love to see the idea still play out. We know what we did wrong. We trailed stops a little too tight. Won't do that again in a high resistance liquidity environment. I mean, I'm very happy with my trading. This is where you got to be obsessed with like following your rules and playing your plan and get true satisfaction and happiness from that rather than winning trades. Like I lost 2 trades, but I'm just as happy as if I won. Really could care less. because I know give me a good low resistance environment with some speed behind it, some Momo, dude. And make back.
Oh, dude, ChatGPT is roasting SpaceX right now. Let's go.
Oh, good.
Dude,
Good.
I told her to give me a good gist post about SpaceX stocks because I'm up the 2x short ETF. And it said, everyone wants to own a piece of SpaceX. I just wanted to own the downside. I'm up 183%. Turns out the rocket doesn't always go up. And then it says, SpaceX investors, in quote, SpaceX only goes up. Me, I'm holding a 2x short ETF. Interesting. I'm up 183%. Sometimes the best way to play the rocket is to bet on a crash landing.
Golly.
Damn.
Damn, bro. Why you gotta do him like that, dude?
Stop it. He's dead already.
Stop it. He's gone. He's gone.
I said that one's more savage. I can do a clean roast or a more savage. Fuck it.
Have you guys seen the videos of people talking to Grok, like on their cars and their Teslas? And it's set to it's set to the like the rude mode where it like curses at you and says mean things to you. I'll have to find one of those videos and put them in the comments there.
In all seriousness, I do think that 110 is a bounce spot on SpaceX. I think that the option exposure will give you a pop. But we're not there yet.
Oh, I forgot. Lower low, getting below that 0.5. It's that 50% retracement of the wick. Next big spot I have is sell side liquidity at 408.25. That's that low. If you just look back on your chart to Friday, July 17th, Friday low. That would be the next giant spot. I see.
This is supposed to.
Dixie's starting to roll over a bit. Wow, Vita Coco's down 9% now. Ooh. This whole watch list looks pretty rough. SNDK is still green. It's holding up pretty well. MU's green. LMT is monster today.
SpaceX is down $100 since I started shorting it. Let's fucking go. SPY new lows, QQQ new lows. Urgency Navy confirmed that the Strait of Hormuz remains closed. Numerous ships are awaiting authorization to pass through.
Damn. You know what's really interesting, dude, is Bitcoin's holding pretty steady here. It's only down like 1.5%, I think, down to 64. I think it's gassed out on the downside.
Wow, SP PC. I always get this one mixed up. That's the 2x short SpaceX from leverage shares. That thing is killing it. It just got over $22. It's up 140% since the day it came out.
All right, 11-point gain. ES. I'm down to the runners.
Starting to slow down around this 0.5 a lot. Still making lower lows. Just slower. They want to, it's a big range all the way to that Friday low.
I got 23 next on ES. And then below that, 408. And then like I've been talking about, 7,400 psych.
$1 lower on both SPY and QQQ until this target hits.
Let's watch 690 here on Qs.
I like it very much. X just broke 7,400. What's your midpoint if you take a bit compared to there? 7,410.
Coming lower.
Yeah, I think 7370s can be a good
Yeah, I'll be right
spot.
back.
Bet.
Take your swing low from June to your swing high in July. Your 618's at like 7370 on SPX. Might be a good spot. I'll add an alert down there just in case we do knife or sell all down to it. It's almost getting too late for me to take spread.
All right, gents, I'm gonna head out. I'm not gonna trade options today. It would be fixed like this and just really opportunities. So I'll catch you all tomorrow.
Mhm.
Actually, next week, but I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.
See you later.
Later, Gator. I can sell 7320s and 7480s.
looks like we're making our way to that sell side Friday's high. 408.25 is the level I have for M&Q. That was my full target for the short. Damn, we really got moving nice. Love to see my idea still play out though. Would have taken trim at that 0.5. I would be trailing my stop loss at this point to probably that most recent high at this point. Because if we popped up to that high at 619, we'd be reclaiming the 25 retracement. I probably wouldn't want to stay short if that's happening. So that's where my trail stop would be, 619.
Yours is down 2.16%. Still like this is more like lower.
Here's the 690.
It's either I take an iron condor or I wait for it to sell lower and just take the put and credit spread side. Tesla down 14%, Google's down 7.6, Amazon's down 5, Meta's down 4.5, just broke 600 cycle level. Microsoft's down 3.3, Nvidia's only down 2.5. Yeah, see, these healthcare names are looking spicy. Pfizer's starting to curl up a little bit on the daily. J&J is looking good. I mean, Pfizer looks like a cup and handle that wants to break it up.
Okay. I might try along here if we get a little bit lower.
J&J 280s for August 21st. Minus one candle.
Nice. Oh, they're keeping it drilling. Gosh.
Okay, I longed. 74, 23, 75.
Gotta trail that stop a little bit wider next time.
Sorry. 74.2475. Wow, I actually bottom tick that as of right now. Come on. Come on. I trimmed some there over 74.30 for 5 points. I have a stop at 74.26, so 0.25 in profit for the rest, which it probably will hit, to be honest, is what it looks like.
What a day.
Can I move my stop up to 74.2750? Come on. Come on, show me the goodies. Show me the goodies. Show me the goodies.
Point if I was still in that short looking for that low at 408.25, I would move my stop to that 0.5 where I took the first trim, or where I would have taken the first trim. So then I'm not expecting, if we're going to continue to go lower, for us to have to trade back there. And if you do, then you end up getting taken out at the same level that you trimmed at originally. So it's just like taking full TP at that spot. But since we have an order block created and a 5-minute gap above our heads right here, I would look for that 5-minute fair value to hold us and not even have to trade to the order block in that 0.5. That's why stop, I would feel comfortable putting it at that 0.5.
Pfizer and J&J are ripping. hit 689.
Oh, go, baby. Oh, yeah, we got long there. Oh,
It
go,
hit 688.99.
oh, go, baby. Oh, go, baby. I got my stop and profit 74.32.50 now.
Just did my journal.
2-minute 21 rejected. 3-minute 9 rejected. 5-minute 9 rejected. By the way, I'm all out of everything on my logs.
Main thing I wrote down in my journal to keep in mind on days like this where it's a lot more high resistance and we're not getting that speed in one direction. It's a lot more back and forth. Obviously, I know things resulted in us finally getting some speed. But beforehand, right, when we're in that choppiness a little bit more, I just made a note to, instead of like trying to trail my stop losses so aggressively in these areas, these types of environments, I need to just I can still trail cautiously, but need to just trail the actual full range. So that 1 minute range that we were kind of caught in before we made that initial move down and broke the range, my stop should have been at the top of that little 1 minute range, which was at the candle, that 10:22 a.m. Eastern candle.
20-point gain, MES, I'm all out.
Heard that. On that bounce that stopped me out, that would have gotten close to my stop, but wouldn't have stopped me out. Was the true
little day.
Let's just get the 408. 25.
SPY just hit 736. You have an overextended tick to the downside right here.
Yo, Jordy, can you let Will up, please?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Guess who's back? Will is back.
We got a new low on Wick. Yeah, wow.
Yeah, that came in quick. Someone just bought $2 million worth of STM calls.
They had good earnings and guided up.
A lot of great earnings and freaking smacked me. That stock is.
Yeah, that was one of the earnings plays I did. That one I lost on, and then Blackstone I won on.
TXN had good earnings drop.
Yep.
STM down like 17%. This is freaking. Ugh.
Nope.
Amazon almost completely filled that gap. IWM starting to break down now. I've been taking on credit spread this late in the day before, but I'm still interested in taking puts.
IWM just hit lows on that wick.
Mhm.
VIX is at 20, by the way, so keep that in mind too.
Finally got it going.
I can give him $50 that money. 65
Don't look good.
Yo, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Oh, you goody. Sorry, I didn't see you.
What did I miss?
We're just breaking lower that, so we're got under the 0.5 of that wick I was talking about. We're trading pretty heavily under that. My next spot is this 408.5, which is last Friday's high. I don't know if it's last Friday's high or the Friday before. Either one, it's Friday's low or Friday's low. I'm so sorry. Fucking upside down here.
Look, pinned at the top of the space, July 17th. About a week ago. Said ES SPY to 7,400. We're about 20 points away. That was 200 points ago.
Bang.
Let's go.
Dude, sell green, cover red, just printing, Maple. Printing.
It's insane. I mean, I love these unravel days because we've had so many orb kind of ranges, but dude, what a session. I think the biggest takeaway for me today is understanding that not every single day is going to be like this. Take this out and refer to this day as an anomaly and maybe cut back on some of the euphoria. So when I come into trading tomorrow, cool, calm, collected, not experiencing FOMO, euphoria, and chasing things, right? But SPCR, those pullback green channels, fire after the 15-minute flip.
Trump just said he's considering a massive attack bigger than anything before I'm close to making a decision.
Sorry, Casey.
The biggest attack we've
In the
ever
history of
had.
the biggest.
The biggest, the largest. I showed the attack plan to my team and they said, wow, that is big, sir. Like the biggest I've ever seen.
It's the biggest attack, probably the biggest. A good friend of mine said, wow, that's a big attack there.
I showed it to my wife. All she said was, wow, so big.
So big. The biggest attack you've ever seen in your life.
Q's is almost there. What time did I send this level out? 687.41. 9:23 a.m.
Wow, look at those lows, dude. Just, oh my God, this doesn't stop falling. Bro, you're onto
It
something.
looks like one of those days.
Short every green.
Dude, look at, zoom out, go to ES, 4-hour chart, draw the demand and supply of that range, and you'll see what I'm seeing.
I mean, literally go to your 4-hour, your daily, your 1 hour. What's the most obvious level to the left right now? Freaking July 17th low. We're just gunning straight for it. Wild. This would be my full target from my entry, 724.50. Curious how many points that is. It's crazy. To full target, about 315 points. Beautiful.
So where's ES going next? 73.65. I have a support zone right here on SPY. Don't ask me why. Oh, figured it out. This is Friday, June 12th low. We chopped around this for a very long time at the end of June. We had an overextended tick as well. Watch for scalpy.
Shut up. Bentley. Bentley. Get over here.
Ooh, you have a low right here on NQ as well. 717. Yeah.
Like, watch this bid get like just obliterated. Here's wait.
Dude, it pains me too, because like when you like if someone shorted chase that red candle, right, where are they gonna stop out? Where the candle is green, and that's where you should be entering, you know?
I mean, you just gotta reverse the way you think, really. Like, people just don't understand that, like, the market is extremely, I mean, it's illogical to some people, right? It's very, like, irrational. And so you have to really switch up your thinking, switch up your entries, where it's like, oh, this thing can't go down forever. Well, no, actually it can. Like, that's the thing.
100%.
Like, yeah, exactly. It's gonna keep going down until it doesn't. Like, do we know when it's gonna, like, pop?
Yeah, low can go lower and high can go higher.
Yeah.
Like, I swear today there's people under orb, just like with that justification that you're talking about, oh, it's gone low enough, it's got to reverse, and they're just like taking random stabs at longs, right? Or like maybe this one they got lucky after losing a few times, but you've got to have pullback entries, trade alongside the trend. The biggest thing that helped me out in my career was the moment I stopped predicting price and just reacted to it. That doesn't mean chase candles, but it means like, hey, EMAs are bearish, price below VWAP, CBC short. I should be looking at right.
Yeah.
Here comes Q's back into 2, 3 minute, and almost 5 minute 9 here.
I'm trimming along right now.
Hell yeah, baby. Where you get that cheese, Casey? Where you get that cheese?
Put a stop at like 487.
And see if we get over to 690.
Probably not. Sold happy at 5 minute 9 there on Q's and put a stop at entry. If it continues, it continues, but you just want to send it lower. That would be the spot to do it. IWM double bottom on pre-market low.
Whoa! Fucking stepped on my foot. Yeah.
Oh, got another fill on a trim. Hey, out majority. Oh, hey, must be the money. If you want to do anything around me. Oh, sweet mama. That was a nice little scalp. I'm just gonna close it here. I'm good.
Nice.
I'm out. Cause I chased it. I should have been long at like freaking 440. And I freaking chased it up at 470s. It's like 50, 60 points real quick. Hopefully that's not low of day.
Day.
I'm gonna be pissed.
I'ma be.
I'm a be.
Whoa.
Now look at that 15-minute push right there. Ooh.
Oh, come on, fucking reject it and sell it low.
Reject it.
Shit done MES, it got a little bit stronger bounce. Significantly stronger bounce. Yeah, I don't know if I can sell quick credit spread now. Voltic said 73.75 on SPX. It hit 73.75.99 right when we hit that freaking support. And now we're popping, daddy.
Yeah, shorts are gassed out, it seems.
But
We have
then
an
alerts
intended
it.
green candle as well. Yeah, that's not a good time for the shorts there. We'll see what happens.
Oh, fucking ripping it hard.
The IWM just back to the middle of the double bottom. Q's weakest bounce.
No more cheese for you, cholesterol.
Yeah, I need to start. I need to start watching that long screen.
You need to cut out stuff in your diet, otherwise you're going on medication.
So, fuck you, it is you.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I need to start going on walks again, too. I need to lose weight.
You eat too much cheese.
Yes, and then I need to lose weight.
No, so you said you're in a put credit spread?
Okay, rejecting 690 on the 5-minute 9.
No, so you in a put credit spread?
Yes.
Are
Yes.
you up or down in it right now?
I am down on one of them. I have two. I'm down on one. Well, actually, I'm down on both. But the second one, I'm down literally 1 penny. So I'm basically even.
Looks like the sellers have gashed out. We had an uptick in calls.
Ooh, that's a nice pop. Let's see if we can hold it.
I'm really hoping I didn't snipe low day for a scalp back up to retest the 5-minute 9, and then it just runs like 200 points. Would be wild. I'd be fucking pissed. Royally pissed. Smack that.
Hmm.
I can't take the credit spread. Too risky. Too risky.
Iran is not ready to make a deal, but Iran is willing to discuss terms. Ain't that the same shit?
Yo, pleasure making money with you guys today. Let's do it all again tomorrow.
Catch you later, big dog.
See you, brother. See you tomorrow, brother. Later, Maple. Great morning, crew. Great morning. I'm gonna get wrapping up on the YouTube stream. Hang out with the crew there the rest of the day.
Nice.
I gotta film some videos too. But great morning. Had some great trades today.
Found it.
The right idea, but got a little too aggressive on that trail stop, but it's okay. Limit the losses. Still a great day, baby. Shout out to the crew. If you guys in the audience are following the crew, Casey, William, Evan's up here. Evan always posts some great news. He's the news guy, so make sure you're following him. The Wolf Financial account up here, Frank, Al. Appreciate the crew. I'm gonna wrap it up, but hop over to the stream, boys. We'll see you over there. Everybody listening, that's where we're gonna be the rest of the day. So hop over there.
Yeah, I will say, by the way, I don't know if
What's
it's up there at all. In-person event, August.
Stay in the fairway. Give me some rollout. Give me some rollout. This is a par 6. I've never seen that before. We're going for it. Driver off the deck. Get over. Roll. Oh, you gotta get up and roll down this. No! You might have to cut this, honestly. I'm gonna just do a nice and easy chip. We're going. We're going, baby. Oh my God! Eagle. Give me an eagle. Oh, these greens. Oh, these greens. How am I supposed to get it in here? It's a joke! Oh my, I just snapped! Please be in. Thank God.
I know your name, listen.
It's still sitting under that level there. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off here. I have to get some things done. We're rejecting the 5-minute 9. Let's see if we can kind of hold here, because we did try to do 2 bounces very quickly here. So I'll be in chat.